Hey, my name's Skyler. I'm out here at the Shiflet property. I'm going to be attempting to replace this shingle right here. The problem we're running into with these shingles when we're going to actually do the replacement themselves is the amount of material transfer that we are getting, and also the granule loss in the shingles above it. Due to the sheer age of this roof, the shingles above are just completely falling apart. So as you can see here, just from removing this shingle, this top shingle up here has created a crack in itself. This shingle now has a crease, and the amount of granule loss on these shingles is incredible out here. Regardless for the age of this roof, the material transfer that we're getting, these shingles are no longer sticking and adhering to the bottom shingle below it, deeming this whole roof not watertight. I'm out here just chasing the lost cause, and my suggestion, in my opinion, the only option here is a full replacement.